Okay, that is the one. Once you gave all this information to music director, they will design music accordingly. After that, it will go to the sound effects and mixing. After that he will get 5.1 audio files. Previously I talked about that 5.1 LRC, CFE, LS and RS. That one, you need to import that 5 audio channels into your timeline in Davinci Resolve, and then we need to export, we need to give it to CG also. This card also we need to add that in Davinci Resolve, not here. For now I added here in Premiere Pro. So I'm gonna add a certificate card also. I'm gonna go to my assets. Here I have sensor certificate. Okay, I'm gonna go and then I'm gonna adjust this size. Let's turn on this uniform scale and then make this size here. So if you have one more thing, if you have anamorphic size, you need to go with anamorphic size also. For cinema theaters, you need to ask for the cinema theaters what is the resolution. Sometimes they have 2048 into 858 or 20. So quickly I'm going to show you that one. So you will get nice anamorphic, that one. So if you go to sequence, settings, so here we need to change 19201080, here 858. See, here we got that anamorphic size. So I'm gonna make this sensor certificate accordingly. Okay, and yeah, like that. So that is a sensor certificate. That means the movie is censored, so the movie is ready to release. Okay, I'm gonna come up with there is something wrong with the time code. I'm gonna come here, let me correct that one. Okay, let's go with text. Click, it's automatically created our text right here. So I don't want to type anything. I'm just go to my adjustment layer. Let's copy this one, then paste. Yeah, now it's correct because of that adjustment layer. Now it's starting with 0001. So that is the one glitch. You need to remember that one. Sometimes you will confuse with oh, what the hell, what's happening? It's not starting with a 001. Sometimes that will help you. Okay, that is 2 minutes 58 seconds, 10 frames. Now we have, oh, okay, well, here. Okay, there's a problem with the end credit. It's not ended yet. Here I'm gonna move this one. Oh, okay, because we changed the resolution, that's why. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So that is the final size. I'm gonna hide this one. Time code is not required because this is the final version. The final version is looking like this. There's some size issues. We can zoom that one, no problem with that. So once you link it into 4K clips, it won't come like this, because I used some of them as 1080, some of them as different resolutions. So that's way Okay, here those are the CG parts. For this one you need to add a stabilizer. We can stabilizer, wrap stabilizer. I'm gonna add this one, wrap stabilizer. Okay, it's showing something. We need to do the nest for that one. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna go and then right click and okay, where is that nest? Here it is, nest. Okay, nest it, no matter what is the name is. Wrap stabilizer. Okay, it's analyzing. So this is a final video. Maybe it will go very long video. Finally we are ending up with film editing. So in the next video is a conclusion. What is it called? Conclusion. So I'm gonna tell you what we need to do, and then after you finished this course, what you need to do, I'm gonna tell you what to do, what not to do, and what are some of the basics you need to know, what is the practice you need to do every day for editing, and something like that I'm gonna tell you. So if you want, you need to practice that one. So in this video I'm going to end up with this film editing course. This is a full of the end. This is a finished finished product from beginning to end. I covered most of the things, all the informations. If you know previously, so now okay, let me play this one. Let me render quickly. Go to sequence, render in and out part. See that? Did you see that? We don't have that moving part. It's nicely wrapped. Cross check other shots. Okay, all is good. Rest all is good. We need to check only our end credits is coming from right place or not. Okay, here the glitch, I found it. We need to start this one from here. Yeah. This warp stabilizer is done. Let me play this one quickly. Okay, it's done. So everything is done. It's time to export this one. So in this case we don't want this reel one also, these names and all the things. And so once we done all the things, once we added our sound effects and sensor certificate, once we finished everything, it's a final. So on the time we need to remove this part and then remove that beginning part. And remove this part also, end part. We don't want any other rest of other. We need to remove this one also. We don't want this one as well. We want only video and then 5 layers of audio. So in this case I didn't add 5 layers of audio. It's still there, same thing. So once you got the audio file, you need to add here, so you will get nice all in one track. Okay, this is our video, and now I'm gonna show you how to export it for cinema theaters. Okay, I'm gonna make in point. I'm gonna show you how to export for cinema theater, and we need to export as a reel wise. This is only reel one we have, so that will easier for us. We have only one reel. So I'm gonna go to my Control M, press on Control M, go to export settings, and I'm gonna go to my format, and then there is a DPX option. Let's find that one. DPX, where is that DPX gone? Here it is, DPX. Click on the DPX, match source 1920858. So in that case the size will different, 2048. Okay, let me make this one as a 2048858, something like that. Go to sequence settings, 2048 by 858 press OK. Make in and out point for reel, this reel, and then I'm going to Control M for export settings, and I'm going to go to my DPX, select on DPX. So here DPX and over range, full range, standard, full range. We want full range. Match source 2048,858, that is our size, 24 fps, and render maximum depth. In Davinci Resolve it's different, in Premiere Pro is little different, and those are fine. Okay, this is fine. SMPTE DPX, and then choose your destination folder right here, and then hit the export button. It will take some time for DPX, so you need to export something like this for all the reels, how many reels you have. So I'm not going to export this one, I'm just close this one. And then if you want, you can export it for other Blu-ray, DVD also. We have that option. So here HD Blu-ray, so we can select this Blu-ray, and we have something like this. Okay, this is for okay, Blu-ray for only 1080p. This is 24 fps, 19201080, because I don't know why we don't have 4K option in Premiere Pro. Maybe in some other we have. So we are making Blu-ray in 1080 full HD one. In 4K that is a different settings. So once you choose all the settings, the target bitrate, select all this, how much bitrate you want. It's a 25 means yeah, it's a 25 only, 25 Mbps. You can choose up to 100 something like that, 62, and that means 62 Mbps. And so those are the settings. So choose your destination path, and then okay, let me go with somewhere around here. What we get? Is there any crop ratio? No, we don't have any crop ratio. This much area we have. It's automatically we have these bands. Okay, select your destination path and just hit render. That's it. So that is the Blu-ray. And what else we have? I think DCP also we have here. Let me see. Let me check once. DCP for digital cinema package. That is for theaters. We have some issue here, so I'm not going to export as a DC. Okay, we have 2K flat 24 fps and 8x8 scope. Now we have this one. So here we need to, so if you come to DCP, we can see here 20481080 full, 2048,858 is a scope, 1998 into 180 it's a flat. So we want this one, 858 scope version and 24 fps, and those are the settings. And there is a web option also. Those are the settings. So scrub through this one, make sure we don't have any crop version. It's a scope version, we don't have here, we scope this one. And choose your destination path and then export it. You will get a DCP package, digital cinema package. So if you want to give to theaters, you can give this one for theaters and just export that one. Yeah, finally we exported for everything. So this is a final version, final video. For director and for director we are giving this Blu-ray here, this Blu-ray version for one Blu-ray for producers and directors. If you want to review purpose, if you want to go to QuickTime, one full HD, that is QT, and then match source. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna select this one, motion JPEG, uncompressed YUV 10-bit match source. Here 2048,858, that is our size, 24 fps, everything is fine. So I export this version for reviewing. And then for 1080 also you can export as a 1080 also, 2048 and 1080, 2048 into 1080. That one also you can export for trailer cutting and all the things. It will helpful. Yeah, that's it. This is the final version, and we are end up with a film editing course now. And another video, we have one video, so it's a conclusion. I'm gonna make one more video of that one, conclusion, and then I'm gonna make all the clear. I'm gonna give you all the clear details what we need to do next, what you not to do, what are the some of the tips and tricks and something like that. So it's very short video. I think it will go very short video, something like that. So if you like it, smash that like button and then hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon, whatever we have on YouTube, and share this. It's a full course, full package we have on YouTube. So in previously I'm releasing After Effects course also, some of the title animation. If you're interested in that one, let's check that out. Until next, I will see you. I will come up with another episode, and then I will see you next time.